we provide you the platform to turn your dreams into reality. Give wings to your aspirations with KR Mangalam University.
What if the groceries delivered to your doorstep came with fungus? What if your so-called fresh produce had already expired by the time it was packed? India's quick commerce giant Zepto is now in the eye of a storm. The Maharashtra Food and Drug Administration has suspended the food business license of Zepto's warehouse in Dharavi, Mumbai. Why? Because when officials walked into the facility, they weren't met with efficiency or hygiene. They found fungal growth on food packets, expired products, and unhygienic, damp, disorganized storage conditions. In simple terms, the conditions inside this warehouse violated basic food safety laws. According to the FDA, it's a clear breach of the Food Safety and Standards Act, and that breach has now forced the government to act. Zepto, in its response, has said it's initiated an internal review. It claims to be committed to providing the safest products to consumers. But the truth is, this is not an isolated misstep. It's part of a pattern. Because this is not just about fungus in one warehouse. This crisis runs much, much deeper. Let's look at what's been building up over the past few months. Delayed deliveries becoming more frequent, expired food items showing up in customers' orders, and growing concerns about price manipulation on the app for iOS users. These issues have now exploded into a full-blown regulatory scandal. Zepto, which shot to fame with its 10-minute grocery delivery promise, is now battling a very different kind of pressure. One that could severely damage customer trust. Because here's the larger question. When you order food or essentials from your phone, do you really know where it's coming from? Do you know what conditions it's being stored in? And can you trust that what you are consuming is even safe for you? Regulators clearly believe the answer, at least in this case, is a clear-cut no. And for Zepto, a company valued at over $1 billion, this episode could be more than a temporary setback. It could mark the beginning of a tighter scrutiny on all quick commerce platforms. It could lead to stricter rules, surprise inspections, and mandatory public disclosures. And for consumers, it may be time to stop and ask, are we trading safety for convenience? As for Zepto, the clock is ticking. A suspended warehouse license is not just an operational hiccup. It's a blow to reputation, to reliability, and to everything this very brand stands for.